Hi guys, I hope you are well. I don't know what happened, but I happened to just literally leave my phone for about a minute or two and the verdict came in and they read that quickly. Let's face it, the judge in this has had everything moving pretty swiftly. Anyway, the results have come in. Everything was guilty on all charges, but I'm gonna play you a short clip of the sentencing for those who obviously don't join the lives. But with that said, it is a good result. So I'm going to play that video for you now, and then I will see you guys on the other side.
Ron? Yeah, he's being. Did you call for them? Yes. All rise for the jurors, please. You may be seated.
Would the foreperson please rise? Mr. Foreperson, it's the court's understanding that the jury has reached a verdict in this matter.
That's correct.
As to charge ID 1937947C, charging the defendant, Adam Montgomery, with the crime of second-degree assault, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You say that he's guilty, Mr. Foreperson?
That is correct.
So say you all, ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
Yes.
As to charge ID 2027112C, charging the defendant, Adam Montgomery, with the crime of second-degree murder, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You say that he's guilty, Mr. Foreperson?
That is correct.
So say you all, ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
Yes.
And as to charge ID 2027113C, charging the defendant with the crime of falsifying physical evidence, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You say that he's guilty, Mr. Foreperson?
That's correct.
So say you all, ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
Yes.
And on charge ID 2027114C, charging the defendant, Adam Montgomery, with the crime of abuse of corpse, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You say that he's guilty, Mr. Foreperson.
That's correct.
So say you all, ladies and gentlemen of the jury?
Yes.
And on charge ID 2027115C, charging the defendant, Adam Montgomery, with the crime of tampering with witnesses and informants, do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You say that he's guilty, Mr. Foreperson.
That's correct.
So say you all, ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for your service. You've performed an important civic duty, and that is as to the alternates as well as all the deliberating jurors. What we're going to do now is I'm going to send you back into the deliberation room. The alternates are going to be able to go back now with you. You can discuss the case with each other, so it's an opportunity for you to do that. I'm going to take a few minutes with the lawyers here, and then I will come in to discuss a couple of other matters with you further, and then you'll be released from your service. All right? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. All rise for the jurors, please.
So guys, let me know what your thoughts are. I personally think this is a great outcome. I hope he is squirming and I hope he gets the sentencing that he deserves. Whether he turns up for that, who knows. But we are where we are. good outcome. Deeply disturbing and upsetting trial, an upsetting case, but with the right result. Justice for Harmony. There's only one more thing that would bring justice, full justice for Harmony, and that is, where is Harmony? Do drop me a follow, guys, and then you won't miss up do drop me a follow, guys, and then you will not miss any updates on this case when we have sentencing and a like, or any of the other cases that I am talking about. That's it, guys. Bye.